Okay, here I am out in the field. New box work, great. We're gonna give the Keelcrass Ace a shot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I haven't flown in a long time, so I don't know. Here, I'm a little worried, but we'll see. So let me check the equipment. That looks good. I think we're good to go. All right, this is first flight in about 10 months, and I'm really kind of tense here. I hope it doesn't crash. I got 750 turns on there. Okay, I'll just check one more time. Right is right and left is left. Sometimes you have to reverse it. Here we go. First flight in a very long time. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that baby go. Whoa, nice. Didn't stall, almost hung on the prop. Look at that. Wow. That's incredible. They sit in the box for 10 months and there you go. Flies just as good as it did before. Nice. Now I remember what it's like to fly. Oh, that is nice. That's only 750. I can get about 850 in here. Beautiful. Very nice. Gee, I hope the camera's getting this. So this is the first test flight in 10 months. The Keelcrass Ace, what a nice performer. Of course, I got my sunglasses on, and here we come. We just set it up. There's some people here, so I gotta be careful. Oh, that is nice. Okay, here we come. There we are. And there we are. Very nice. I'm back in the game. Okay, here we go. Yow. I love the way it hangs on the prop like that almost. Very nice. Oh. Sorry, I have to lean back. It's pretty far. It's right overhead. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful flying plane. I'm moving back a little bit. Let's keep it in view here. Nice. I tell you, this is every flight is like this. It's incredible. And there aren't even any thermals around. Very nice. Come on, I wish there was a turbo. We'll just bring it in for landing. There she is. Here we come. Whoops. And there we are.